Hi Buffett, hi Buffett, hi guys, I'm back Buffett with another video Buffett. This is your boy Sim Temple. This is Azanian politics Buffett. So Helen Zil is campaigning to be Joburg mayor Buffett. So during the Soweto derby, he went to watch football with the ordinary soccer fans Buffett in Soweto. So Babu Julius Malema, everybody's mad Buffett. I know why they mad, man. Because black politicians, as soon as they hit the ceiling, as soon as they begin, they make it, they move away from the hood. Even our councillors, someone will campaign to be a councillor in the hood, and as soon as you elect him, he moves to a better place, and he leaves us with the same problems we were with when we were staying with him or her. So Helen, they know how to campaign, they know how to relate to the people. Sabu Julius are mad now. There's an article written by Megan van de Hevier, East Afrikaans Buffet. Malema slams drunk Helen in inverted commas. Helen Zil at Soweto derby. They may both support the same club along the Pirates, but Julius Malema was not in support of Helen Zill's social media post about watching the Soweto derby over the weekend. The Babia campaign along with Julius. The Economic Freedom Fighters EFF leader even went so far as to call the DA mayoral Joburg mayoral candidate a drunk. Hey Julius, I think sometimes Julius I. On her social media platform, Helen Zille shared her joy at watching the Soweto derby alongside the soccer fanatics at what appeared to be a drinking hole in Johannesburg. In pics posted on her Facebook account, the 74-year-old, a self-proclaimed Orlando Pirates fan, downed a bottle of beer as she cheered on her club. In pics posted on her Facebook account, the 74-year-old, a self-proclaimed Orlando Pirates fan, downed a bottle of beer as she cheered her club. Later, she posted a victory dance celebrating the Buccaneers' 3-0 defeat of long-time rivals Kaizer Chiefs. The pic of Helen enjoying both the soccer match and her beer went viral on X, with fellow politicians weighing in. To me, those politicians were just jealous, some of them. You can Helen, and Helen, look at the Cape Town CBD Buffet. Tell me we don't need that in Johannesburg. Yo. When see failed ANC, but Malema Gebona, they all for African, they are pan-Africanists. But they sing how Africans are doing us. MK Party Mzwanyele Manyi tweeted on off it. In Joburg, we don't want a mayor that celebrates brandishing alcohol, given the alcohol abuse in our townships. I'm tired of you. As black politicians, I'm tired of you guys. I'm done lie to you. Done with your bullshit now. You won't blackmail me. You must be good at what you do. You won't blackmail me through what. EFF Julius Malema, who watched the Soweto derby from outside FNB Stadium through the VIP section of Malema, they will never go to the people. No. They're very important for the people. They just need the vote from the people, and then they go and stay in Sandhurst and stuff. EFF Julius Malema, who was the Soweto derby from inside the FNB Stadium, said of his DA mayoral candidate Leon Tahwa, it's a drunk. I'm saying like what Julius. Mdomdala lo Helen. She's 74-year-old. He also retweeted calling her a drunkard and irresponsible. Long-time Orlando Pirates fan, while Helen Zil did not respond to Malema's insult, she did clap back at Action SA Michael Bowman, who claimed she was faking support for Orlando Pirates. Asazge Bowman. Bowman tweeted, I don't think she could name a single player or provide any prior post demonstrating her support for Pirates. Helen responded by pulling up all tweets of her long-time support for the club. Well, tell me, do you think that was a publicity stunt or she was genuinely supporting the club, Bafetu? Anyway, I don't care, Bafetu. As long as they fix the country, these people. As long as they fix the country. Who runs the country? Even chimpanzees can run the country. As long as the country is functioning, there's no crime, there's high employment rate. I'm good, Bafetu. Otherwise, see you on the next video. This is your boy Sim Temple, and this is Azanian Politics, Bafetu. Keep on supporting.